racer, so that was a happy place for me. But yeah, of course, it's a huge achievement when you're able to do that. And within the team, it gives you so much more control over the race strategy because you are right there, the man who's taken the car to the pole position. And I think I actually broke down during the race. So it was a nice Saturday evening, if nothing else. Still a special moment, I'm sure. There is the boss of Ferrari, and as you say, things are looking a bit better here than they did in Australia so far, anyway. But there's still a little way to go.